Are you ready for love? Are you tired of dating sites and apps with all the swiping and inbox conversations that never lead to actual dates? Are you tired of being single and sometimes ask yourself, where are all the good men? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you're not alone. Let's face it, dating isn't easy. I mean, you've done everything right. You're beautiful, educated, have a great job, house, car, and maybe even a cute little dog named Fluffy. But something's missing. You wake up, go to work, come home, eat, and do it all over again the next day. It's frustrating. What happened to your happily ever after? You deserve someone who can't wait to hear about your day when you get home. Someone to laugh with, travel with, and spend Sundays binge watching your favorite shows on Netflix together. Someone who makes you feel like you matter. You know he's out there looking for you, but you're having a hard time meeting him. You tried a few things, but dating apps are overcrowded and overrated. You're tired of hanging out with your girlfriends every weekend, and sometimes you just want to scream, "Where are all the good men?" Your dating strategy clearly isn't working, and it's time to try something different, and you need a little help doing it. Good news! We have a new approach to dating that takes the guesswork out of finding love. It's an exclusive service called Good Men, the largest community of quality men looking for quality women. We match you with compatible, like-minded men who have similar interests, education, background, profession, age, and lifestyle. Our process is simple. We meet you, match you, and make plans for 4 quality men plus 4 quality women to attend dinner parties at popular restaurants throughout the city. Now you're probably asking yourself, how do I know these are quality men? That's a great question. We screen all of our members, but what's really unique about Good Men's dating service is, 1, we have a 3-to-1 men to women ratio. 2, every man in our database, and we have a lot of them, has been referred and vouched for by one or more of our women community members. Good Men is an exclusive upscale invite-only community with 3 rules. 1, you must be invited to join. 2, you must be screened. 3, every woman accepted must refer at least 2 good men you either know, have dated, dumped, or don't want. You know, men who aren't quite right for you but great for someone else. We believe in a true community approach, which means everyone contributes. Simply put, give a little to get the life and love you deserve. We know you deserve a good man. Let us help you meet him. So if you're really ready for love and don't want to spend another decade hoping it somehow finds you, what are you waiting for? Apply now and let's start your love story today.